Hi YouTube, this is Edge. We're going to take a review of the Visuo Siluroid 2 megapixel drone. So we're going to compare the expectations versus the reality. Okay, as you can see in this video, you can see that this is a daytime shot of the 2 megapixel drone. So it's quite a windy day, making it difficult for the drone to land on my hands. So this is the overhead shot of the playground. So you can see the bumps and shakes whenever I maneuver the drone. See that? That's the pros and cons of a low-cost drone. I mean, the quality is what you should expect from the price. So piloting this drone requires a little bit more high level of skills for you to enable to control it properly. So this is the sample of a low light test, sample video at night, and as you can see there's some flickerings on the drone itself. I was able to manage to make it a little bit stable here, but still whenever I want to maneuver it, you can still see those bumps and shakes whenever I try to move around the drone and try to refocus on the subjects. Now comparing it again to the daytime video shots. As you can see, 2 megapixel camera is not what we used to be whenever we see a handful, whenever we use a camera on a handful. The resolution is way lower than what we used to be seeing from the handphones currently, nowadays. I would be practicing more on this drone so that I can improve my piloting skills, and whenever I do editing, it will be much more easier. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you like it.